Hello everyone, welcome to Master Hangeul. I'm very happy to study Korean with you. In this course, we will learn how to read, write, and pronounce Hangul step by step. Even if you're studying Korean for the first time, don't worry. We will learn together slowly and clearly. Now let's begin. Today, I would like to talk about three things. First, some study tips for learning Hangul. Second, the logic of Hangul and how it was created. Third, how Korean syllable blocks work. The goal of this lesson is to help you understand the basic system of Hangul. Before we begin, I would like to share a few important study tips. First, please do not rely too much on romanization. Romanization is only a guide. It cannot fully represent Korean pronunciation. So instead of reading romanization, please focus on the actual sounds you hear. Listening carefully is much more important than memorizing romanization. Second, please pay attention to pronunciation symbols inside the brackets. Sometimes Korean words are pronounced differently from how they were written. To make pronunciation easier, sounds may change naturally. For example, 사람이 is pronounced as 사람이. When you see the brackets, please follow the sound inside the brackets. We will learn pronunciation rules step by step through this course. Now let's learn how Hangul was created. Hangul was created in 1443 by King Sejong during the Joseon dynasty. Its original name was 훈민정음, which means the correct sounds for teaching the people. At the time, people mainly used Chinese characters to write Korean, but Chinese characters were difficult to learn for many ordinary people. So King Sejong created a simple and logical writing system that anyone could learn easily. That system is Hangul. Let's move to the next slide. One reason Hangul is special is because it was designed very logically. First, let's look at the vowels. The basic shape of vowels come from nature. The dot represents the sky, the flat line represents the earth, and the standing lines represent a person. By combining these three shapes, other vowels were created. In modern Korean, there are 21 vowels. We will study them step by step through this course. Now let's look at consonants. There are 5 basic consonants. They were made by copying the shape of our speech organs. For example, 기역 looks like the tongue blocking the throat. 니은 shows the tongue touches the upper gums. 미음 is the shape of the lips. And 시오 shows the teeth. Finally, 이음 represents the shape of the throat. We added the strokes to these basic letters to make other consonants. More strokes mean a stronger sound. We also have double consonants, which are made by writing the same consonants twice. In modern Korean, there are 19 consonants. We will learn the details in later lessons. Let's learn how Korean letters work. Look at the example. In English, letters are written in a line, but Korean letters are grouped together into square blocks. Each block represents one syllable. Syllable is like a sound bit. For example, the English word butter has 2 bits. In Korean, each bit is written in one square block. This is called a syllable block. Let's move to the next slide. Let's practice this with a quick quiz. I will read a word. Please guess how many syllables it has. The first letter is 바다. That is 2 syllables. Next is 콘서트. That is 3 syllables. There are 2 basic patterns for syllable blocks. The first pattern is consonants plus vowel. For example, the consonant comes first and the vowel comes next. The second pattern is consonant plus vowel plus final consonants. In this type, we add another consonant at the bottom. The final consonant at the bottom is called 받침. Now you understand the basic ideas of Hangul. From the next lesson, we will begin learning how to read and write Hangul. This video course focuses on helping you understand the sounds and structure of Hangul clearly. For more reading and writing practice, please use the workbook together with the lessons. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.